Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play games on the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store app, sign in with your Microsoft account, search the title, and check system requirements. Click Install or Buy, wait for download, then open the Xbox app if needed to manage updates and controllers. Adjust in-game settings for performance, verify controller or keyboard input, and enjoy playing. Restart your PC if you encounter errors. Buying and installing games is straightforward and user-friendly. Select the game page, choose free or buy, and confirm payment when prompted. Pick an install location with enough space and watch progress in downloads, where you can pause and resume downloads. Enable automatic updates to keep patches current and reduce interruptions. If installation fails, clear the store cache, update drivers, and retry or use the Windows troubleshooter to diagnose problems. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading game guides, patch notes, and strategy tips aloud free on long commutes. It has a crisp, glare-free display, long battery life, and waterproofing for reading near your setup. You might even read patch notes faster than downloading updates. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues often have quick fixes that save time. Sign out and back into the Microsoft Store, restart the Xbox app, or reinstall the game to resolve many errors. Update Windows and GPU drivers, run the DirectX diagnostics, and check firewall or antivirus settings that might block downloads. For controller problems, test in the Xbox Accessories app and remap buttons. When all else fails, contact Microsoft support for account or purchase issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.